So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see some of the good questions of percentage. So we will see 5 questions in this particular video. So first question is nothing but A salary is 50% more than B's. How much percent is B salary less than A? So first we will see this question by basic method. So there are two persons A and B. A salary is 50% more than B. That means if B is 100, what is 50% more of 100? 150. So 52s are 53s are. Now they are saying that how much percent is B salary less than A? How much it is less? 1. Less than A, that value will come in the denominator. So 1 by 3 into 100, what is the answer? 33 1 by 3%. 33 1 by 3%, which is nothing but second option. Clear? Now we will see second method. In percentage, one concept is there. If any value is increasing by 1 by n, it will always decrease or compensated by 1 by n plus 1. That means here what they have given you 50%. What is 50% fraction value? 1 by 2. If any value is increasing by 1 by 2, it will decrease by 1 by 3. And what is 1 by 3%? 1 by 3 percentage value? 33 1 by 3%. So we can solve this question in this particular manner orally. Clear? Now we see question number 2. Manoj sold an article for rupees 15,000. Had he offered a discount of 10% on the selling price, he would have earned a profit of 8%. What is the cost price? Right? So for this we have direct relation. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Right? Directly you can solve this question. So selling price what they have given you? 15,000. 100 minus discount percentage. So 100 minus 90. 100 minus 10. 10% discount is there. So 90 divided by 100 plus profit percent. So 100 plus 8. 108. 18 5s are 18 6s are 6 25s are. So 2500 into 5, what is the answer? 12,500. So 12,500, first option is the correct answer. Clear? Next one. Income of A is 150% of income of B and the income of C is 120% of income of A. If the total income of A, B, C together is rupees 86,000, what is C's income? So this is also a very good question. So there are 3 persons here, right? Income of A is 150% of income of B. So in the first statement, they are comparing A with B. Income of A is 150%. That means if income of B is 100, income of A is 150. So 52s are 53s are. This is A by B. Second time, an income of C is 120% of income of A. So C by A is nothing but if A is 100, C will be how much? 120. So 25s are 26 are. Now we will see A is to B is to C here, right? A is 3 here, A is 5 here. Make it same. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. So multiply this one by 5, this one by 5. Multiply this one by 3, this one by 3. Right? So A is how much? 15. B is how much? 10. C is how much? 80. If the total income of A, B, C together is rupees 86,000, what is total income here? 43. 43 part is 86,000. So one part is nothing but how much? 2,000. Now what they are asking? What is C's income? C's income is 18. So 18 part is how much? 36,000. So answer is nothing but 36,000, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? So now we will see question number 4. In an examination, it is required to get 296 marks out of aggregate marks to pass. A student gets 222 marks and is declared failed by 10% marks. What are the maximum aggregate marks a student can get? This is very important question when it comes to your percentage chapter, right? So here, it is required to get 296 marks out of aggregate marks to pass. A student gets 222 marks and is declared failed by 10 marks, 10% marks. That means passing marks is 296, but he got 222. How much he got? He has to get 296 minus 222, which is nothing but 74, and that is equal to 10%. So 10% is nothing but 74. Now what they are asking? What the maximum aggregate mass a student can get? So 100% is nothing but how much? This is 10. This is also 10. What is the answer? 740. Answer is nothing but 740, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? Next one. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on the marked price of an item but charges a sale tax of 8% on the discounted price. If the customer pays rupees 3,402 as the price including sales tax, then the marked price is, directly we can say marked price is equal to, what about customer pays 3,402 into 100 by, discount is 10%, so 100 minus 10, 90. But here what he is doing? He is charges a sales tax of 8%. That means this is 100 by 8% tax is there, so 108. Right? So we can cancel this number by 9. So 9 tens are 9 threes are 27. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 10 tens are here. 9 12s are 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are again 6 2s are 6 7s are 2 5s are. So 35 into 100. What is the answer? 3500. So my answer is nothing but second option. Clear? So I hope you like these 5 questions which we have seen in this particular video. Please do subscribe TP Chendi YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and do share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. And please do comment about this video in the comment section. So prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.